In this video, I'm going to show you the laziest way to get ungated on Amazon for Q4. This is my emergency ungating method for when you need category approvals fast, and it's perfect if you're trying to get ungated for the holiday season and you don't want to spend weeks figuring it out. I've used this exact system to get ungated in restricted categories in under 24 hours, and it's the same method my clients use when they need ungating approvals quickly without all the trial and error. This isn't going to be some complicated strategy with a million steps. This is my lazy person's guide to getting ungated fast, minimum effort with maximum results. If you need to get ungated for Q4 products and you want the simplest, most straightforward way to make it happen, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get right into it. Alright you guys, so before we dive into the lazy method, let me explain why most people overcomplicate ungating. Most people think you need to find the perfect products, calculate profit margins, and create some elaborate strategy. That's complete bullcrap and a waste of time. The lazy way is simple. Find distributors that Amazon already trusts by the minimum amount needed to be ungated and move on with your life, right? You're not trying to make a fortune on your ungating orders. You're just trying to get approved so you can sell profitable stuff during Q4. Now let's move on to the 3-step lazy ungating system. Step number 1 is pick your battles. Don't try and get ungated in every category. Pick the 2 to 3 categories that matter the most for Q4. So for example, there's toys and games, biggest Q4 category, health and household, like supplements, personal care, electronics, and home and kitchen for like holiday hosting products. That's pretty much it. Focus on these 4 and ignore everyone else. You guys could always get ungated in other categories later. Step number 2 is use the lazy distributor list. Instead of spending hours reaching out and researching for distributors, I'm going to give you the exact distributors that work for ungating. For toys and games, you're going to want to use EE Distribution. They carry Funko, Hasbro, Fisher-Price, DC Comics. Amazon recognizes them as a legitimate authorized distributor. I've got it ungated within less than 2 days using this exact same distributor. For health and household, you want to use Frontier Co-op. They carry natural and organic products. They've been around forever. Amazon trusts them. I've used a Frontier Co-op invoice myself when I was first starting out and got ungated within about 1 to 3 days. For electronics, you're going to use VoiceCom. They carry Pelican, Anchor, Soundcore, Kate Spade Tech Accessories, all types of good electronical products. They have professional operations and everything like that. Amazon also recognizes them as an authorized distributor, and I've gotten ungated literally the same day using VoiceCom's invoices. Now for home and kitchen, you want to use SI distributors. They aren't necessarily cheapest or most profitable distributors, but they're the quickest way to get ungated because Amazon already knows and trusts them. Step number 3 is the minimum viable order strategy. Here's what most people mess up. They try and find the profitable products for their ungating orders. Don't do that. Your ungating has one job: get you approved. That's it. Now for each category, you need to actually buy Amazon's actual unit requirements of every single product. So I always go with the minimum because it's simplest. It typically ranges from about 10 units to 400 units that Amazon requires on that invoice for you to get ungated for a certain product or brand. Here's my exact process. Go to the distributor's website or go on their catalog, find the cheapest product they carry in the category or brand that I need to get ungated, order the minimum required units that Amazon allows, submit the invoice to Amazon, and get ungated. It's pretty much that simple. Sometimes you have struggles because you're dealing with people from third world countries and everything like that, and so you just have to resubmit the application a few times until it actually gets to the right person where they recognize it's legit and they approve you. But that's pretty much it. Now, I don't care if I actually lose money on this order because getting ungated is worth way more than the loss in potential Q4 profits. Now for the application process, when it comes down to applying to these wholesale distributors, when you're going to EE Distribution, which is our toys distributor, you're going to go to their website, fill out their wholesale application, use your prep center address as your address, business type, put retail and distribution, and you should typically be approved within 24 to 48 hours. For Frontier Co-op, you're going to want to go to their wholesale section, create a company account. Don't pay for the premium membership, use the free option, and order the cheapest product in the category you need. For VoiceCom, you're going to want to register on their website, fill out their dealer application, and wait for an email or call back. From there, make sure you are not presenting yourself as an Amazon seller. Make sure you're presenting yourself as a retail and distribution company. And once you talk to one of their sales reps, you shouldn't have any issues getting approved to work with them. The key is to not overthink these applications. Fill them out quickly. Make sure you're sounding professional, present yourself properly, and move on. Now, when it comes down to doing product selection, don't spend hours analyzing products. You're going to want to use basically simple criteria. So number 1, for the most part, you want to find the cheapest product in that category. Number 2, you want to make sure it's actually third-party seller friendly. So you don't want it to be exclusively being sold by the brand or Amazon or the brand's authorized seller. You don't want to deal with that. So make sure there's at least 3 FBA sellers on the listing at any given point. Number 3, make sure they actually have good reviews on the product, that way you don't have any issues when it comes to returns or dealing with anything bad when it comes to that product. You want to make sure it has at least 3+ stars. Number 4, you just want to make sure it's in stock at the distributor, to be honest, because sometimes you'll find a good product and it won't even be in stock at your distributor, so make sure it's in stock at the distributor. And the last part is you're going to want to make sure that you could at least sell whatever the ungate requirement. So say Amazon's requiring 10 units to ungate that specific category or product. You want to make sure that if you buy that product, you'll be able to sell all 10 units within 30 to 45 days or less. And that's pretty much it. Pick the first product that meets these criteria and order the minimum required units. Now, here's the 7-day ungating timeline. Day 1 through 2 is going to be apply to all distributors, follow up with any that don't respond. Days 3 and 4 is going to be finally getting approved by these distributors, placing minimum orders immediately, and getting your invoices. Day number 5 will be submitting invoices to Amazon for ungating reviews. And day number 6 through 7 will be Amazon reviews your invoices and you actually get ungated. This works because you're using distributors Amazon already recognizes and you're not trying to be clever with what product selection. Once you're actually ungated, you're going to forget about those products you bought for ungating. You probably won't make money on them, and that's completely fine. Now focus on finding actual profitable products in those categories from your regular suppliers. The ungated products serve their purpose, they got you approved, now you can sell the good stuff. Now let's go over some common mistakes to avoid when it comes to ungating. Mistake number 1 being trying to make money on your ungating orders. You're paying for access, not profits. Mistake number 2 would be overthinking product selection. Your cheapest product that meets the criteria wins. Mistake number 3 would be applying to random distributors. Stick to proven distributors that are proven to work. Mistake number 4 is ordering more than a minimum required units. And mistake number 5 is waiting for the perfect timing. If you need ungating for Q4, you have to do it now. Now, if you want a Q4 specific ungating strategy, since we're actually in Q4, use the modified approach. You're gonna put priority on these categories: toys and games, electronics, home and kitchen. Timing, you're gonna wanna get ungated by November at the latest. This gives you time to source profitable Q4 inventory. Don't wait until December, that's gonna be too late. An emergency option, if you're watching this in late October or November, focus on only toys and games. It's the biggest Q4 category and worth prioritizing over everything else. Now let's just do a quick perspective check on the numbers behind this lazy ungating method that I just went over in this video. Let's just say it costed you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to put in all these orders and get ungated for these big categories. Now you may be looking at it as, oh, I might have lost, a couple bucks per sale, or I'm breaking even. Great, you're not losing that much money, if any money at all, if you just break even. And now you're actually ungated in these big categories that you have potential to sell so much if you have the capital. You could sell literally millions of dollars in each of these categories if you have the capital to do so. But most of you guys don't have unlimited capital, so just imagine you only sell $5,000 worth of products in each category. That's 4 categories. That's $20,000 worth of revenue, with about $5,000 being profits from that $500 to $1,000 investment that you just made. That's a very good ROI if you ask me. Now, this method works because of speed. You're not wasting time on research and analysis. Reliability, these distributors work consistently. Simplicity, your minimum viable approach gets you the same result. And cost effectiveness, you're only buying what you need. Most people spend weeks trying to find the perfect ungating strategy. This way gets you ungated in 7 days so you can focus on actually making money. Now here are some advanced tips. Tip number 1 would be apply to all distributors on the same day. Don't spread it out. Tip number 2 would be use the same business information for all applications. Copy and paste saves you time. Make sure your company name and address that's listed on your Amazon seller account matches up on your distributor applications. That way on the invoice, they match up perfectly. It literally has to be letter by letter, that way you get ungated. Tip number 3 would be set up email templates for follow-ups. Don't write custom emails every single time. Tip number 4, order from multiple distributors simultaneously. Don't wait for one approval before applying to the next. Tip number 5 would be submit all invoices to Amazon on the same day. Batch processing is more efficient. Now here's what's gonna happen after ungating. Once you're ungated in these categories, here's your Q4 action plan. Week number 1 is gonna be source profitable Q4 products in your newly ungated categories. Week number 2, we're actually gonna place orders with your regular distributors for Q4 inventory. Week number 3, we're gonna get inventory to Amazon before the holiday rush. And week number 4, we're gonna optimize pricing and ride the Q4 wave, raking in our profits. The ungating was just the entry ticket. Now you can focus on the profitable stuff. And me personally, I've sold over $8 million on Amazon, and I have used this exact same ungating strategy many times over to get these proven results and get ungated within 24 to 7 business days. I meant 24 hours to 7 business days. The key is this method works because it's simple and uses proven distributors. Not trying to reinvent the wheel, you're just getting ungated as efficiently as possible. So that's the laziest way to get ungated for Q4. No complicated strategies, no perfect product research, just the minimum viable approach that gets you approved fast. This isn't about being lazy because you don't want to do the work. It's about being lazy because you want to focus your energy on the stuff that actually makes you money. Getting ungated is just a checkbox you need to tick. The real money is in the profitable products you sell after you're approved. Now, if you're thinking, Thomas, this sounds simple, but I'm worried I'll mess something up or pick the wrong distributors, I totally get it. That's actually one of the things I help with when you work with my company, ACP Mentorship. I don't just give you the distributor list, I personally vet your ungating strategy, review your applications before you submit them, and make sure you don't waste money on the wrong products. My clients get ungated faster because they're not just guessing, they're using a proven system with someone who's done it hundreds of times, guiding them through the process. If you want this kind of support, there's a link in my description where you can learn more about working with me directly. But whether you work with me or not, use this method. It works, it's simple, and it'll get you ungated for Q4 without all the headaches. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more Amazon wholesale content, and I'll see you in the next one.